Iwaata turns on the tap. Papine DJ with a song for Christmas. Popular dancers get in step with Turn the Other Way, taking it to TikTok before going viral.
Hi new millions, hello motivation. Whole heap of young youth bust fast. Whole heap of them though. That's how the business get fast now. You have to have what they want here now. Them people are mad, you know. You will think you know what they want. And they don't want it.
Bad. That 12 for the girl there. Yeah.
You see that song, yeah? Remember Iwaata, this we sing Clip Tar, we sing Young Bunks, we sing Foot Player, we sing whole heap of thing. But that song, yeah, bigger than me right now. I have to catch black that song.
Come on, baby, Tony on the way.
The rhythm have a lot to do with it. The energy have a lot to do with it. You have a youth named Death Trail, you have a youth named Frank White. I'm a chemistry that. Dead Start Vice it, computer jam, Frank White pick up the next 2 days, finish it, boom. Put it out, Sky touch it, Rebel touch it, Pata touch it, Looney Tune them touch it, boom. Rebel post it, Lead on Street and Rebel, boom. Everything is set up fast. Views, everything, traction, everything, bus car, everything, fast. The fastest rising song you see. You see a new me, welcome the new me. It's where far from. It get away ugly but we clean.
Iwaata in Kintyre, Papine, the DJ born in the house in the background.
My neighbor string cut in the yard there. Lot 210 Kintyre, Hope River Street.
The street taking to his track, Turn the Other Way.
Well, you see that place now is a musical environment, especially the yard there. Dancehall music, I grew up in it, and sound system used to name Electro Voice. So I'm more in the music. Beanie Bunty, name it, all of them used to DJ in the yard there.
But you know, times have changed and the music has moved on. So how different is the music now from the music you remember hearing when you were younger?
Here we go on now. The youth them do them thing, you know, and me I do my thing. But me I put my thing in a matches box, my thing open so. You see me? So me I bring 90s dancehall with 2023 style right now. Doom, 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 doom. And the boop that man. Boop. Anything that come around, boop, you know. Can't miss, you know. Reggaeton.
And the current sound, how would you describe that?
Yeah, the current sound of clarity, delivery, and point. Everybody can hear me and say, oh, in the club, me meet her, you see the Caroline like she, but she say she, but that she tell me, say, yeah, the new sound, the new flow in the 90s era, said, yeah.
I beg you, baby, don't stop. A little and bright, me no know the bull what. Cute face, yeah, she have it come fast. Say she with
hardcore music can't dead, you know. You know, see Shabba them. Them man, they never stop work show yet. Me and one of them man, you see Assassin and them man, there. Iwaata this, I one of them man, there, you see. Super Cat and them man there, Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. I saw you go see me.
One father body like she text me every day. She do it neatly and speaking, so me pick her up, bring her anywhere.
How would you describe where you are right now?
Right now, believe and receive, you know, that me do, you know. Believe in a Father God, you know. Rich blessing, you know. You see me? Every day I wake up, post my psalms and the world know. Pray for my family and my friend them and keep it real and promote. Promotion is key. I'ma promote myself to my seat stay so bro. Street at night time. Everywhere. DJ Kenny them, boom them, name it. All board. Promotion is key, man. And me not feel no way, me feel happy right now when I reach right now.
But this song is the one that's trending right now. So why you think that's the case?
In your say it there. Different, fully focused. We are no artists now, have nothing in our music, me I did, you see it? Yeah.
And that in itself is a big forward-moving decision to have made. Why?
Because your meds are stuck up and you pray negative and positive if you pray. The man where you pray now pray you, you know. You and your low-minded self are pray the man there when him go so. So you them have to just focus and know so forward, you see it?
Up in the club, me meet her, you see the Caroline like she, but she said she, but that she tell me, yeah. Flick up on the wall and she a gone in and she element.
Hits like his in Jamaica, he sees as another foot in the door to break overseas.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie still, you know, you have TVJ and you have Valiant and you have Skeng them. You see they make some big move there. I don't lie. You see it, Grammy and them something down award. So right now, nothing impossible. So me have the Grammy right, so I nominate myself long time, you know. So me have to get it, I aim that. Nothing impossible again, man, father, man. Me I tell you, man. Remember, Nicki Minaj says king, you know. See? And whole heap more thing I go on, you have Byron them, you have TVJ them get signed. Because them a hear something where them a look for. And I see them dancehall, origin dancehall. Them a look for it. Nothing no come here to replace dancehall music, you know. And that's why you sit on the other way, go in that groove there and push off so because I it, them a look for that real sound there.
But you speak to a lot of people overseas and they're saying it doesn't sound like dancehall, it sounds more like American trap music.
No man, you have trap music, you have rap music, you have white music and you have black music. And you have dancehall music where me I do. Me no business with none of them music that this me I do. Lower the youth them make them do them thing. Anything I work for them have to do it.
But it also has to find an audience.
Father, I tell you, nothing impossible again. The youth them get whole heap of streaming. You have skilly bang them to you know. We are do good, you know. So you know them thing there.
You know how little people make from streams? Streaming is not where the money is.
Father, youth them have whole heap of money now. Whole heap of money. Music money can't track. Whole heap of money. You see it? Bang, 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 bang!
Come on, baby, Tony on the way. Done! She love the God, so she check me on a care.
You think you're making better choices, better decisions? Have you learned things you didn't know before?
Remember, I fly out go whole heap of place, you know. And I learn, say, you can't fly left, you have to tree land. You see me? You have to stay here, so any you eat, you so. But them say dance here before you dance, bruh, done. So that the youth them have to know and that I work.
When you go abroad, what are you seeing that's different in the music business and when you perform, maybe in a club, wherever it is you're performing?
Overseas, the people them love music, you know, but not like Jamaican, you see it? Yeah, them accept it and absorb it, but not like we. Our head too mad. You know, so when a youth hear him favorite song, in tear fall in shirt and drop down and over there say you have fans, they touch him and then drop down, you know. But not like yes, sir. You have to just do your thing and forward in black. Love everybody overseas said yeah, but not like right, so yes, sir, the place.
I beg you, baby, don't stop. A little and bright, me no know the bull what. Cute face, yeah, she have it come fast.
Yeah, man, you have some man when I fly and make whole heap of money. You have a thing named dub plate. Don't ramp with dub plate. Me live off a dub plate. You take care of my family off a dub plate. You have custom dub, you have regular way dub. So the custom one, me like do the custom one because it double up. You see me?
Can you drop a dub right now?
Here, a we go, bad. I beg you, baby, do stuff. You get a dub.
Iwaata set for staying, but scoffs at the notion of any clash. Too much going for him right now, and happy that his song's getting airplay.
Every song when I sing have a clean version. You never might know where your song is going. By the time you figure clean it up, then nobody want to get the deal again. So you're slow in a fast time. If you end the year with a song and start the year, it's a great feeling. December is my month, my birth month, so you can call it luck. So Boxing Day, I have sing for my birthday. I have the artist song for my birthday. It's a nice gift. And I have my son Dada Dan for my birthday. So I don't even know if I explain to you right now.
You got your Christmas present early.
Yep.
Bad, she no listen love song. So she fling it down, that's so she lift it up back. A big song string up on a little function. Christian, but she love it play God.